What's going on, guys? Charged up here outside of the garage and or house. Quick update. Yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along. The extension has been added at this point, so yeah, it's we're getting there. We're getting there. There's work being done, and that wall there is going to come off, and then it's going to get extended. And we're also going to do a second floor on top as well. So yeah, extension is almost done. Super excited. I'm just glad that things are going on and things are happening. It's been a week and a half, so yeah, quite a bit done. Inside has already been torn apart, so that's a huge plus also. So yeah, just a quick update from my end, guys, on the garage right now. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.